This video is Knowledge Organiser 3 for your 8Delta classes. What I would like you to do is read the Knowledge Organiser, watch this video and work through the examples on page 1 of that Knowledge Organiser, and then complete the questions from page 2. Complete any Maths Watch work set by your class teacher, please. So, if we have a look, today we are going to be calculating gradients. So a gradient describes the steepness of a line. The larger the number, the more steep our line is. If our gradient becomes negative, our line is going down. Now, to find gradient, what we do is we work out the vertical distance, how far our line has gone up, and we divide it by our horizontal distance. And we find that by looking at the difference of these between 2 points. So you would choose 2 points on a line and you would use that to work it out. Now, sometimes we call this rise over run, and we talk about that because it's saying how much you rise and we're dividing it by how much it goes along. So if we have a look at this question here that you have as an example, okay, our line here goes across 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and it's going down by 2. So if we're going to find the gradient of this line, we do how much it's gone up or down, which I'm going to use as a -2, and we divide it by how far across from left to right it's gone. Now, notice this is a fraction. Now, we can leave it like this and simplify it, so we could say it's -1/2, or we can turn this into a decimal and say it is -0.5. But either way, that there is our gradient. We don't have to do anything more from that. Okay, I've chosen another problem here to kind of work through just to help you get started. This is question C from the second page for you. So again, we draw on our triangle. If we have a look at this, our line has gone across 1, but it's gone down 1, 2, 3 squares. So we say it's gone down -3. So if we're trying to work out gradient, again, it's rise over run, or the difference in the vertical difference divided by the difference in the horizontal distance. So it's gone down 3 and gone across 1. So -3 divided by 1 gives us -3. So our gradient for this line is -3. Notice each of my examples, my lines are going down. That is why we would have a negative gradient. If our lines are going up, you wouldn't have a negative value here, and you would end up with a positive gradient. Okay? Use this video to help you complete the second side of your Knowledge Organiser and all of the Maths Watch questions set by your teacher. Thank you.